Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options. Then we need to select Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space C colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1. Then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space C colon /bcd backup. Then hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Type attrib C colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren C colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.